Welcome to my kitchen. Glad you're back with me. Gonna repeat a recipe from the other day. The other day I made nanner cookies, diabetic friendly, no sugar added. So I'm gonna repeat that recipe, except this time make it into granola. I've got 2 bananas that are way past their prime. It's how I use them if I'm gonna make banana bread or anything like that. Or I actually can put them in a cake mix to sweeten a cake mix. So anyway, let me show you what we're going to do, and it won't take too long, and let's get this mixed up. Oh yeah, by the way, I had a guy kind of complain about the other day. He said something about a 71-year-old using the word nanner. I think he thought it was just, I don't know, trying to be, I think he said folksy. I explained to him, it's just me. I ain't gonna change at 71 years old. It's the way I talk. If you were here, that's the way I talk. I may say nanner bread, banana. It just depends on mood. But it ain't nothing planned on this show. What you see is what you get. So I'll run a copy of that so y'all can read it. Tell me what you think about that. Anyway, let's get to the recipe. All right. I've got my nanners. Yeah, I did say nanners. And takes a minute to get them out. Not good stuff all over you. There you go. One more here. Actually, they peel easier if you grab it from this end. Did you know that? If you're even going to eat a banana, they peel easier if you get them from, that's the blossom end down here. This end would be the, where it's growing on the stalk. So I'm going to use just like I did the other day, except using 2 nanners today. Make sure I get that out. So I can't even remember his name now. But anyway, make him happy. So I'm going to take this muddler. Okay, since it it'd be easier probably to use this in a mixer. I want it almost a liquid. And once again, there's not going to be a written recipe because this is the first time I try to make granola. So a little cinnamon, just a couple of shakes. If you don't like cinnamon, don't put it in there. You could probably put coconut, dried fruit in this. If I had some dried cranberries, I would add them right now. I'm out of those right now. You could put raisins. I think all of that would do fine. So I'm just mixing it up. And you could actually add cocoa, unsweetened cocoa to this. So maybe make you a chocolate granola. Maybe I'll try that one these days for the chocolate lovers. All right. Now the peanut butter, the other day I had 1 skinny tablespoon. So today, 2 skinny tablespoons, and this is all natural, which I actually love. It tastes so good. Get all my peanut butter out of here. Get this stirred in really good. I try to add my liquid measurements first. And I know they're not liquid, but the wet measurements, I should say. I don't have a recipe for this. Right now it's smelling really good though. You can see it's thickening up pretty good. And the other day I put 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, and Here's my cup here. Let's try one and see what happens. I'm sure going to need some more. Oh yeah. I was going to have something different to stir it with. Come on, get out of there. Go back where you belong. This is what I did it the other day with the muddler. So it's going to have 2 cups total. I hope you're keeping up with this recipe, because I'm just cooking. The only other thing that goes in this is saltines, and I've got no salt saltines. They're so good. I love the flavor of those. They're great with just peanut butter on them. Kind of a guilt-free saltine cracker. I want this to be thick, of course. It's going to be granola. And I'm going to cook it in my air fryer, probably from real low temperature, probably for like 20 minutes or so. I really don't know. First time. The cookies cooked in about 15 minutes on a high temperature. They got a little brown and crispy. I was trying to rush them through because I just wanted to see what they tasted like. All right. I have 6 saltine crackers that are pulverized into cracker meal. I don't know if they'll take all. I'm just going to put it in there until it really starts to tighten it up. There's no water in this. There's no added sugar to this. I believe that's fine right there, boys and girls. Now, one thing about this cookie batter, you could eat this cookie batter because it says nothing in it. I read somewhere to put egg whites in it. Egg whites to help, hold it together. But as cookies the other day, they did pretty good. Let me take a bite of this, see what it tastes like. It's really good. All right. That's everything it's going to take right there. I've got about a 9x9 pan. Got some parchment paper that I have sprayed lightly with a butter spray. Get a different spatula here. take and mash it down in here. Try to mash it out kind of even. It's definitely thick. And I'm not going to cut this in bars until it's cooked. Or not, it's not cooked, but I should say it's set. There she is, boys and girls. Let me get the air fryer going. Let's see. I'm gonna put this on air bake. The lowest temperature. (250 degrees) for 20 minutes. Can't wait until this is finished. I bet it's going to be good. Alright, let's get this in the air fryer. I've got it set. It's not even starting to preheat yet, so I'm going to put it on this grill pan. And before I put that in here, I'm going to take and trim this. They say you're not supposed to put parchment in air fryer. The other day it got a little brown crispy on the edge. So I don't want to fry on the air fryer. That looks much better. Not all the extra fire starter sticking off of it. Alright, put it in here. Push the button to bake. And rock and roll hoochie coo. 20 minutes. It's preheating right now. So I'll bring you back here in a minute. There she is in there. And I'll bring you back when I first check it. And I'll probably check it before the 20 minutes. Alright, let's check this air fryer and see what these look like. It just went off. I don't know if they need any more time cooking. I think they're pretty well set. They feel like a granola bar. Get you down here so you can see it better. It looks like it's pulling away from the paper over here. As you watch me mix this up, there's no sugar added. Let's see here. I don't want to bake it all the way so it cracks. I want to, have some bite, some chew to it, I guess is what they say. So far, so good. I think it probably needs about some cooling time, I would think. How's that, boys and girls? So you can take a piece up and stay together. Yeah, it's not brown or anything. Oop, broke that one. It was out on the edge. I believe these, once these are cooled off, they're going to be perfect. So let's take a bite of the broken piece. Still warm. Tastes the same as the other day. I knew it would because same ingredients. But the big deal will, once it's cooled down, which I'm gonna let it cool for about 20 minutes, give some to my wife. She's a diabetic, and we'll watch and see how her blood sugar does. They did really good on the cookies the other day. It's really good. I need a glass of milk. Man, that's really good. Let's separate them apart here so they'll cool off easier. And that should do it. See a couple of little ones here. The piece I started on. Granola made from bananas, unsalted saltine crackers, peanut butter, Quaker oats, old fashioned. No sugar added.